Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and prepping the headset. Plug into a verified 5V/1A charger for 10-15 minutes to rule out deep discharge. Once charging, inspect the magnetic clasp and buds for debris that can stop contact. Make sure you have a thin reset tool ready, a SIM eject or paperclip works. Don't waste time toggling Bluetooth yet. The unit must accept charge first. If you see no LED after 15 minutes, proceed to the reset step below to revive startup routines. Once charged, perform the soft reset. Press and hold power plus volume up for 10 to 12 seconds to force a restart. You should feel a vibration or see an LED. If nothing happens, insert the reset pin into the reset hole for 8 to 10 seconds, then immediately press power for 5 seconds to trigger boot routines. Make sure to wait between steps. Electronics need brief settling. Once the LED blinks or vibration occurs, put the buds into pairing mode and verify a device sees them. Finish by addressing hardware contact issues. Clean charging pins and magnetic contacts with 90% isopropyl on a swab and let components dry fully. Swap cables, adapters, and try a different USB port or power bank to eliminate supply faults. If the unit remains unresponsive, only open the case to remove or reseat the battery if you are experienced. Otherwise, stop and use warranty or a professional repair. Quick troubleshooting tip. If resets fail, try charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.